Let me show you two different ways how you can factory hard reset your Garmin VENU 4 and VA6. So first, if you actually have access to your watch and everything is okay, you can actually do it from the watch itself. But again, if you are locked out or maybe something has happened, I will show you other way. So first, simply click your upper button, for example, on this Vivo I have over here. So, but again, on the VENU again, it will be the upper, I think. So then let's go in the settings and all the way down, the system settings over here, and then reset over here, and we can actually reset various things here. So only maybe some settings, or if you want to do the hard reset, click this latest option, delete date and reset settings. So once you click that, again your everything will get wiped from your watch and will basically be returned to the factory condition. And the second way how to do it is we can actually do it from our phone app as well, which is kind of cool. So simply go to your Garmin Connect like this app essentially. So, and on the top over here, simply click your watch and select your device over here. And then in this basically window, simply scroll all the way down till you see the system settings over here, and then reset. And again, we can do pretty much the same. So again, maybe if you have locked it with a pin code and you do not remember, or again, basically the watch is bricked or something like that, so you can simply do it from here as well. Anyway, good luck.